49. Which of the following process is not a type of RNA processing carried out by eukaryotes? Splicing and removal of introns, polyadenylation of 3' end, nucleotide excision repair, capping of the 5' end. The correct option is option D, nucleotide excision repair. MCQs number 50. What are exons? Site where repressor protein bind, genetic information, coding for an amino acid sequence that will form a functional protein. Option C is set of genes that are adjacent to one another to genome and are coordinatively controlled. Option D is intervening non-coding segment of DNA. The correct option is option B. 51. Which of the following is not type of RNA? cRNA, rRNA, tRNA, mRNA. The correct option is option A. cRNA is not a type of RNA. 52. All of the following are types of alternating RNA splicing except exon reversal, alternative 3 splicing, skip exon, dual splice site. The correct option is option A, exon reversal. 53. What approximate percentage of total RNA content in a cell is messenger RNA? 45 to 50%, 10 to 15%, 80 to 85%, 2 to 5%. The correct option is option D, 2 to 5%. 54. Which of following is a recognized mode of alternative splicing? Option 1 is alternative donor site. Option B is exon skipping. Option C is all of these. Option D is mutually exclusive exons. Option E is alternative acceptor site. The correct option is option C, all of these. 55. To which of following structure in a typical molecules of tRNA is an amino acid attached? D lobe, variable lobe, anticodon lobe, CCA tail. The correct option is option D, CCA tail. 56. During translation, which site in ribosome allows for tRNA molecules to enter the complex? A site, E site, R site, P site. The correct option is option A site. 57. On which of following molecules could you find an anticodon? miRNA, rRNA, tRNA, mRNA. The correct option is option C, tRNA. 58. Which of following is not a type of modification that can occur after translation? Trimming, phosphorylation, proteasomal degradation, 5 capping. The correct option is option D, 5 capping. 59. Which of following is not a phase in translation? Initiation, elongation, modification, termination. The correct option is option C, modification. Option MCQ number 6. Which amino acid is a start amino acid in a peptide chain? Adenine, threonine, tyrosine, methionine. The correct option is option D, methionine. 63. Which of following is not an example of post-translational modification? The correct option is option B, polyadenylation. 64. The process of copying a gene DNA sequence into sequence of RNA is called replication, transcription, translation, PCR. The correct option is option B, transcription. 65. The transcribing enzyme is ligase, DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase, amino acid transferase. The correct option is option C, RNA polymerase. 66. Which of the molecules contain the genetic code? DNA, mRNA, tRNA, or RNA? The correct option is option B, mRNA. 67. Transcription occur along a template from an mRNA in the direction. The correct option is option C, 3 to 5 and 5 to 3. 68. Which of the statement below is false? Option A is the genetic code is overlapping. Option B is genetic code is universal. Option C is degenerate codon specify the same amino acid. Option D is genetic code is transplant. The correct option is option 1. The genetic code is overlapping. 69. The first mRNA codon to specify an amino acid is always tag UAG AUG. The correct option is option D, AUG. 61. In prokaryotes, what site on mRNA does the ribosomes bind to initiate translation? Option A is polyadenine tail. Option B is 3 untranslated region. Option C is the promoter. Option D is the Shine-Dalgarno sequence. The correct option is option D, Dalgarno sequence. 62. Which protein structure involve the binding of multiple polypeptide, quaternary, structure, tertiary, or primary? The correct option is option A, quaternary structure. The amino acid sequence of a polypeptide chain comprises the structure of protein. Option A is primary structure. Option B is secondary structure. The correct option is option A, primary structure. 71. The transfer RNA bind during translation by the codon, anticodon, template. None of these. Correct option is option B, anticodon. 72. RNA contain which bases? Option A, guanine, cytosine, uracil. Option B, adenine, guanine, and cytosine, uracil. Option C is thymine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. The correct option is option B, adenine, guanine, साइटोसिन यूरासिल, क्योंकि आरएनए और डीएनए में यू जो है वो रिप्लेस हो जाता है टी की जगह पे. 73. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू रिगार्डिंग इंट्रॉन? इंट्रॉन जो होते हैं वो इंट्रॉन्स आर पार्ट ऑफ एमआरएनए दैट आर ट्रांसलेटेड. बी, इंट्रॉन हैव नो फंक्शन. सी, इन जनरल ह्यूमन जीनोम हैव फेवर इंट्रॉन and then genes of the organisms. Option D is intron may be involved in exon shifting. The correct option is option D, intron may be involved in exon shifting. 74. Which of the mode of transformation transfer usually does not occur? DNA to DNA, DNA to RNA, DNA to protein, all occur in working cell. The correct option is option C, DNA to direct प्रोटीन कभी भी नहीं होता. वो